Back in the disaster zone. So there's supposed to be a house here right now. There's decorative bricks over there, the siding that we thought we were gonna reuse, but we're not. So I gotta take all those and move them all the way over there and throw them in the dumpster. What are the chances this starts? Forgot the baby trailer is full of crap. Fantastic. Days go by. Tire could use some more air. I don't have anything to pump it up with. Play on my part, right there is good. Yeah, I meant to put it here. Okay, we rented this little baby whatever to move the dirt. All right, so drive control must be in neutral. Pedal must be up. Oh, there's a toad right there. There's a tiny little dude. Oh, no. Come back. Return. I'll put him somewhere it doesn't get stepped on. So, we used this machine, we moved the dirt and a bunch of logs and yeah. I just mowed over a wasp nest or a hornet nest or something over there. One of the little shits stung me. So I ran away. There's a bunch of them buzzing around the mower right now. If you pour gasoline down a wasp or hornet hole, it kills them. Oh, I think I see one right there. It's buzzing around the gas can now. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow and see if I can find it. I could have set the fuel can on them That's also possible. Ah, screw it, dude. Maybe I'll get them, maybe I won't. You want some gas? Take some gas, little friends. It's good for you. Drink up. It's good. Yes, drink it. All right, I'm out. Yes, yes, yes. So I was just walking over here and saw this big ass black snake chilling here. Scared the shit out of me, but I don't really have a problem with him. If he's not a rattlesnake or a copperhead, he can slither around all he wants. I really want to touch him though. All right, I'll leave him alone. All right, so the house is here, but well, it's not completely installed yet. As you can see, the electrical box has had an accident. It's just kind of laying there and needs to be put back up. And the electrician is gonna have to wire the inside box to the outside box. And then the plumber is gonna have to plumb the toilets and stuff. I don't think there's a whole lot of plumbing to do, but it still has to be done. And then the HVAC guy is gonna have to duct it. It came with like some big, like 2.5 foot wide ducting. You can see on the roof there. Just gotta connect the two. All right, so for this electricity, we got a bunch of conduit and some thick ass 4-aught cable we're gonna use to route electricity from the outside box over to the inside box. So this cable is real thick, real stiff, and real annoying to push through this conduit. I'm hoping I can get it through there without too much problems. I got some foam lubricant specially designed for this purpose, so sure. Nope, it just went straight through, huh? Shit, I didn't put it all the way through the... Gah! Look at this mess, dude. This blows so much ass. Sure thing, yeah. Man, this shit's just shaving cream. You can't fool me. So, this part is mostly done. It's just hung up there with zip ties right now. I'll get some proper straps to hang it with later. Alright, so this is all done apart from the earth wire. I gotta get one of those adapters that'll allow me to stick it onto the ground rail, whatever. Alright, all the big wires are through the conduit now. So this one has to be replaced and this one removed. Alright, so now this water pressure tank has to be wired up and plumbed. I'm having the time of my life. Okay, so it's been a few months since I actually recorded anything on this, so it's cold as shit now, and the house is here, the underpinning and porches and all my stuff's here, and I moved in and it's all done, and I didn't do it all. I'm not gonna pretend like, oh, I did everything, me, myself, and I, but I've still been working on it a lot, and I kind of just didn't care about recording at a certain point. I just wanted to get it done, so it's done. So now I can start on the shop and do other projects I actually want to do, so yeah, subscribe.